Happy New Year, Happy New Year. This is what we normally say each and every festive season when December comes and we know there's a new year coming ahead. We normally say Happy New Year and we say those resolutions, we say those prayers to say this year may it bring good results, may it do that and that. So I'm here today to say to you, unless we change what we do, this year will just be one more year. 2020 will just be one more year. My name is Naftali Ranto and I'm presenting this business opportunity to you of Longreach Bioscience directly from South Africa in a town called Bloemfontein. So I'm here today to speak about this business opportunity. Please, it will take a few minutes of your time. Have you put everything distraction away and let's go into this business opportunity. So you are highly welcome and the opportunity of a lifetime awaits you in this business opportunity of Longreach Bioscience. So I'm just going to touch on introduction and we will continue with the presentation. So I'm saying to you, stop wishing and start doing to make a 2020 a year of success for you. You cannot just wish things will happen, but you need to start doing things. So you need to create your dream in this year. Do not wait for your dream to materialize just to go along, but create your dream. That is the best way to realize your dream, is to create them. So let's start creating our own dreams and see if this year will not be different than the other years. So the position, where are you currently? So Robert Kiyosaki in his book Cash Flow Quadrant, he said there are 4 ways of making income in the whole world. So we have the employees on the top left on the quadrant, then we have the self-employed at the bottom left on the quadrant. So he says to you, if you are on the left-hand side of the quadrant, you are forming 95% of the population which only share or are only benefiting from 5% of the wealth. And on the right-hand side, there are business owners on the top right and they are investors on the bottom right. These people on the right-hand side, it is 5% of the population and they are enjoying a huge 95% of the wealth. And there is leverage when you are on the right hand side of the quadrant. On the left hand side, there is no leverage. You need to exchange your time in order to make money. So I don't know which position you are, but I'm here today to move you if you are on the left hand side of the quadrant, being an employee or a self-employed person or a small business owner, move you to the right hand side to become a business owner or to own a system, which is Longreach Bioscience. It's a system that is already tested and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So success steps that you need to take in order in this business opportunity is to invite, which was already done by one of my business partners, that you will also be required to do it for other people. You invite someone and you send this presentation, or we sit down, we present to you and we make a follow-up with you afterwards. If you don't make up your decision on the spot to join this business opportunity, then we will conduct the training with you to make sure that you understand and you are able to present this business opportunity to others. So the vision of this company is to be the world's best health and beauty solution provider. So if you partner with this company, you are sharing the vision, and for sure you will never regret your decision. So I'm going to touch on the company background. What is Longreach Bioscience? It's a trustworthy global direct marketing company which has been in operation since 1986. Originated in Asia, then Russia, UK, then it came to Africa, where it landed in South Africa in November 2016. Head office in Randburg, Gauteng province, and we have another office that is currently in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. The networking department of this company started in 2008 and currently produces over 2,000 products worldwide. So this is a giant company. We are not talking about a small company here. So partner with us and you will see from the inside what this company is all about. So this company from 2000, if you check, there's a gap between 1986 and 2008 when I said the network marketing department started in 2008. From the beginning, this company has been involved with what we call original equipment manufacturing clients. They were manufacturing they were manufacturing products for other companies like GSK. That is a company that made your Sensodyne. So the Sensodyne specifically is a product that is made by Long Reach. So we have PetSmart, we have Nestle, we have Kong, we have Walmart, we have many companies that this company is helping to manufacture the products. So together with this presentation, you must ask the person who sent it to you to send it together with the products brochure or the PowerPoint PDF presentation that will show you all the products that we are having, or most of the products that we are having, just for this presentation. So please request that if you didn't have it yet, request it and listen to this presentation going together with that one of the PowerPoint. So the products that we have a various range of products: natural healthcare, energy healthcare, we have women care, we have personal care, and cosmetics. Those are just a few categories or 5 major product range that we have, but we have many more products. As I said, over 2,000 products worldwide. So it doesn't matter which category is suit you better. We are having all the categories to cover the entire family. So we have our toothpaste, we have the soaps, bamboo charcoal soap, we have whitey soap, we have SOD cream, we have mosquito repellent, we have mouth freshener spray, we have the antiperspirant dew, we have the hand cream, we have the panty liners or underwear liners for both male and female, we have the sanitary napkins for our ladies, and we have the coffee, Cordyceps coffee, we have Cordyceps militaris, we have the men chain, we have the Arthrosap Reviver for both male and female, we have the berry oil, we have the green tea, we have the slimming tea, which is the pink tea, and we have the brown tea, which is the fat reducing tea, and we have our energy drink or vitamin drink, and we have our pots, classic style Titanic pots, and we have our alkaline cup. Those are the few products I can mention to you. So why this product? This product, if you look at the benefit on the PDF presentation, you will see the benefits are huge. So, and this product can help you to resolve some ailments that we have. For example, if you find someone with asthma, we prescribe that this person can use a cup or pie cup, he can use Cordyceps, and he can use Nutri-V Pink. And this virus should be able to suffocate or to die in the system of this person. So this is just to show you that this company, it is dealing with solving problems of many people, because they normally say, do not sell your product, but solve the problems of people then through your product. So this is what we are doing. Long Reach is here to solve your health problems or your beauty problems that you have, maybe with your skin. So what now? How many people do you know who need this type of products on a daily basis? For sure, you know a lot of people as I speak to you. So imagine getting a share each time these people buy such products from the company. So don't miss this opportunity. I say partner with us as a customer just to buy your own products, and you start benefiting from other people's shopping as well. Those who will be connected with your structure underneath, placed by yourself or placed by us and the rest of the team members. So I'm going to touch now on the compensation plan as I'm going to close. Long Reach is having an international compensation plan. It doesn't matter where you are, you can build it from anywhere in the world. We have some testimonies of our leaders that has been in this business just few years, and they are making it. So you can also make it. It doesn't matter where you start. It is your business and you run with it with your own pace. There is no pressure. There is one reason why people join this business: legacy of the next generation. When you pass away now, your family or your children will not inherit your job or your position at work, but they can inherit this business from you. So think about that. So Long Reach requires you to build a structure of only 3 legs. And with this structure of 3 legs, once you get your 3 friends, you help them to get their 3 friends, and your business is established, and you just support your 3 friends to continue doing the same for their 3 friends, and all of us, we start making money. Important concept to know for today, just one point that I need you to know: PV. Every product you buy in Long Reach has an equivalent PV. This is what is used to calculate your income internationally. So if you make your move today, you can qualify to receive what we call referral bonus. we can qualify to receive development bonus, leadership bonus, maintenance bonus, or performance bonus. These are the bonuses that you can qualify. Just the few that you can qualify right away from today. So there are now I'm going to touch on the packages to register. We have 5 packages that you can choose one of them. The first one being Platinum VIP at 27,000, and you get 12% earnings or profit share of your performance bonus. The second one, Platinum at 11,000, and you get 12% as well earnings on that. And you get your Gold at 2,500, and you get that is a 10% earning. And your Silver at 1,500, and you get your 8% profit share. And your Q Silver at 1,000 rand, you get also your 8% profit share. What I like with this company, it is whatever amount that I've mentioned here, if you choose that package, you receive the products for the equivalent. It means it is 100% risk-free to join this company of Longreach Bioscience. So let me touch few bonuses, then from there we continue. Performance bonus, you get it from the weakest 2 legs. That is means your team, you get from the weakest 2 legs, you get this type of bonus depending on your current level or the level that you are in the company. Remember the 5 levels I mentioned, 8%, 10%, or 12% calculated from the weakest 2 legs. You get this for new registration and upgrade orders. And the minimum requirement is for you to upgrade at least with 30 PVs in order to earn this type of a bonus. So we need to buy products and be able to use the products ourselves in order to earn. So I'm going to touch now on the next bonus, which we call it leadership bonus. This is a huge bonus that we have. It is where we make a lot of money. For every person you bring yourself in the company, you qualify to receive from 10% until 45% of everything that they will be earning once they start earning in this company. So if you are Diamond 1, you will get 10% of whatever that person will earn. And as a Star Director number 5, which is the last rank, you will get 45% of whatever this person will be earning. So we will take you through the rest of the information on the bonuses in detail if you are interested to start in this business opportunity. So salary is never enough. So we have a lot of expenses that are tearing our salary apart, taking their share, school fees, rent, whatever you can mention. And you can beat the odds today by joining this great business opportunity of Longreach Bioscience. Simply by switching your daily consumable brand and start shopping from Longreach, you can be able to make it in life. This pass is open to every salary earner, stay at home mommy, dad who needs to earn an extra income, and slay queens or slay kings, and your children, they can also benefit from this company. Remember, you are not selling any products. We just switch our shopping. We do our daily shopping and we get paid by helping others to do the same. So we have the opportunity ahead of us. The world is open for the market and timing is everything. One decision that you take today, it can change everything in your life. So are you prepared for financial emergency? If you were told not to report to your workplace anymore, how will you react? Maybe you say, it will be a problem. So do something about this in this year of 2020 while you can, because you have the power to change your life. So the choice is yours, long poor or long rich, but you must choose and make up your mind. So Richard Branson says, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you are not sure if you can do it, you just say yes and you learn how to do it later. This is the step that you need to take in this year of 2020. You say yes to Longreach and we teach you step by step how to make it in this great business opportunity. And in a year from now, next year this time, you will say, thank you, Naftali. Thank you, Team Overcomer, for giving me this opportunity. So as I'm closing now, I'm saying to you, grab this opportunity with both hands and let's go together to the top. Just remember, you cannot climb the ladder of success with your hands in the pockets. This is what Arnold Schwarzenegger says. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening to me, this short presentation. I am waiting to welcome you on board. If you are not yet in our WhatsApp group, please ask the person that have sent you this presentation to add you to our WhatsApp group and you will be learning day by day how to make this business to work for you and your family. So thank you very much. May God bless you in this year of 2020. Create your dreams and let us celebrate your dreams throughout this year of 2020. Thank you very much. All the best. Cheers.